Back to the channel. So I was checking the spark plug, and when I pulled the coil cord off, that tip that attaches to the spark plug actually came off. What can I expect, right? $36 motor, but that's a very simple fix. And that little coil, what we'll do is I'll solder it back on, put some heat shrink on it, and reattach it. Should be a much better connection anyway. So let's get to work. So I have my tools ready. I have the soldering iron already plugged in, preheated. The flux paste, this purifies the metal, makes it a lot easier to solder. Just very basic angle cutters there, some solder, razor blade, and some heat shrink. And of course the part that broke off. So how I'll start it is I'll coat the coil wire with solder first, and then we're gonna put some flux on the actual part that came off, attach them, and put the heat shrink over it to protect it, and then put the cover back on and give it a shot, see what happens. All right, let's begin. So I put the spark plug cover back on over the wire before I soldered it. That way, once it's soldered in place, I can just slide it back over without having to force it on. Now it's soldered back into place, and I can put the heat shrink over it, heat it up so it can form, and then slide the spark plug cover over it. We'll give it a shot.